What's going on, YouTube? Just stopping through to give you a quick little video of my Rottie here, Nando. We got him, he bred with one of my females here, and we should be expecting some puppies July 26th. So yeah, looking forward to him. Nando is from Serbia. He's an import. We're just excited for what he's going to bring to the table. Great Rottie. Very energetic. And he just lost the ball. Man, this is a great Rottie, man. This is by far one of my favorites that I've had. Nice head on him. Just overall, great structure. He does a nice stack out. But I just want to stop through, show you Nando. We'll be doing a video on the female pretty soon, so just stay tuned. I'll be shooting a video. But hey, listen, if you are interested in Nando's puppies, be sure to comment under this video, and I'll get back with you. Preferably leave a number under the comment section. Say interested, I'll respond back to you. But yeah, got puppies coming from him July 26th. So be on the lookout, stay tuned. Not gonna do much advertising, but like I say, we are excited about the litter. Like I say, great Rottie. Very smart dog. Has a great appetite, so that's always good. But yeah, stay tuned. We'll be shooting a video pretty soon with the female. Like and subscribe, share as we continue to bring you content. All right, peace out.